Good morning, everybody. We just rolled out of a TA travel center in Eloy, Arizona. Stopped there after getting loaded last night. Got the truck fueled up. Stopped over at the Little Sisters truck wash. Got the truck and trailer cleaned up. And parked, took a shower, got some supper. Walked around with the dog for a while and got a good night's sleep. Got up here moving about 10 or 15 minutes ago, about 5:45. The sun's starting to come up, so good visibility, light traffic, and it hadn't got super hot yet. It's only 82 degrees, so figure we get an early start, get through Phoenix before everybody wakes up. It's a Saturday, but it can still get busy in Phoenix. Not sure how far we're going to make it today. Just kind of, we got plenty of time. Don't deliver till Monday morning in Bozeman, Montana. So just going to get up and drive this morning and start figuring out how far we're going to get a little bit later on in the day. I got 19 and a half hours to work with. I think I may pick up an hour and a half or something like that tomorrow, but that would be it, an hour to an hour and a half. So might have enough time to get all the way there by tomorrow afternoon. If not, we'll have to drive an hour or so to get in there and deliver. Pick up a few more hours on Monday, and then just steadily pick up hours on through there. We'll get reloaded in Bozeman on Monday or somewhere in that region. No, I don't know where. Not a lot of loads, but we'll get reloaded Monday if there's something reasonably close, paying good, or paying decent. I'm going up there with enough money, knowing that I don't necessarily have to expect really good rates there. But if there's not much there, then we can sit till Tuesday and let the hours build up just a little bit. I'd rather just keep rolling though. But we'll see how that's looking when we get up there Monday morning. For now, we're just going to get some miles down, and we will check back in with you in a little while. Vegas. Close to 400 miles so far today, 385 actually. We got less than 5 hours left on our drive time for the day, and that's going to put us approximately 100 miles south of Salt Lake City. So I'll be looking for a place somewhere down there to park for the night. It's 107 degrees going through Vegas, real hot. Started off the day, it was only about 82 degrees, I think, at 5:30 this morning, and it was, by 7 o'clock, it was 90 going through Phoenix, and shortly after that, it was up in the upper 90s, and between Kingman and Vegas, it was already hitting over 100. Still sitting here above 100, actually showing 102 degrees. So if that little cool spell we had for a while made you think summer might be ending, it's not. It's back to scorching hot. We stopped and took our 30-minute break in what is it, Lost Hills, Arizona? Or anyway, it's the TA Express. I mentioned it before in other videos. We stopped there, took our 30-minute break, took Coco out for a little walk, and managed to only take 30 minutes. She wasn't really interested in walking around too long in the dirt and rocks out there in the heat. She was content pretty quick to get back into her food and water and air conditioning. Somebody took out the dog park again. Another truck driver, I guess, ran it over once again. They said they had already fixed it once since the last time I was there. Probably just a matter of time before they just take it out completely, because apparently driving is hard. For some people anyway. I don't get it. Don't hit things. No, not too familiar with this area up here. I mean, I've ran this interstate many times in the past, but not in recent history. Usually when I'm coming out this way, by the time I got to Vegas, I would be going on up Highway 95 heading towards Reno, maybe into Sacramento or something, but typically not turning from Vegas and coming up Interstate 15. That one's not normal for me, but again, as I reloaded going north, I guess you do different things. Yeah, you got a real jerk of a driver coming up on us now. He backed off a little bit. He's going to force the people out of his way, I guess. Drivers like that, they need to lose their CDL permanently. There's no sense in putting people's lives in danger like that. None at all. It's a nice view. This highway is a really nice view coming through here if you like the desert. I happen to enjoy the desert. I don't so much love the heat and the hottest part of it, but love rolling through the mountains. Anyway, not much else. Just we're going to keep traveling on through here. May stop and take another break, at least long enough to figure out how far we're going to make it for the day. I fueled up in Eloy, so we're 400 miles into that, and another 400 miles to get up to Salt Lake City. So easily enough fuel in my little 100-gallon tanks to make it up there and then some. And got fuel up there at Sat Brothers, pre-tax price $4.30, which is actually cheaper than the TA Express that I usually fuel that back there. They were $4.45. So the Sat Brothers up in Salt Lake City will be the cheapest fuel stop along my route. That's where I'll fuel up, and that'll put me, I guess we're going to be 300 something miles probably away from delivery. So we're going to keep driving. We'll check back in with you later. The end of our day today. 630 miles. We're stopping here in, I believe it's Fillmore, Utah. Either stopping at the Loves on the left or the whatever it is on the right. We're going to swing through the Loves first and see what it looks like as far as whether it's somewhere I want to park or not. If not, the other place is wide open. But we're aiming for the Loves first. Obviously, there's plenty parking there. I'm just hoping for a area where it's easy to get the dog in and out. Got a nice grassy dog park there too. May have to check that out. And a Taco John's if I decide to have a cheat day on my keto diet. Been doing real well on it other than the days that we took off to Niagara Falls. Been doing really well. Planning on one day out here in the next day or two, and Taco John's might be a good one for it. Let's see what we got for parking. Trying to see if that end spot is open or not. If it is, I'm calling it mine. I believe it is. Got a reefer park there, but I'll be all right with that. Gonna let the dog out. Going to either get something to eat here in the truck or go in there and try out some Taco John's. So what is it? Eat in the truck or eat Taco John's? I'll decide here in a little bit. Y'all take care, guys, and going to close this video out. And we will see you again probably tomorrow. Take care.